Hi, is it safe to fly when COVID-19 is ravaging the world? Some of the countries have started special flights to bring back their citizens stranded in other countries. Fresh air is drawn through the running engines and is passed through the air conditioner and is circulated inside the cabin. It is a myth that when you are in a cramped cabin of an aeroplane with hundreds of other passengers, breathing the same air for hours in a long flight is a recipe for the spread of a disease. The truth is that the air circulated in an aircraft cabin is cleaner and safer than your home and your regular office building. Fresh air is drawn from outside the aircraft via the jet engines and passes through the HEPA filters, which are effective in capturing 99.97% of the viruses found in the cabin. Moreover, the plane's cabin air is refreshed about 20 times per hour. Viruses are usually large and heavy to stay in the air. Because of this, they fall to the floor or to other surfaces. That is why touching the surfaces where these viruses may have landed or where other passengers have touches like tray table, seat belt buckle or toilet door can increase your chances of getting sick. Airplanes contribute to the spread of epidemics, but this is mainly due to the movement of people from one country to another. The airplane's ventilation system could filter 99.97% of virus. This is based on the fact that all aeroplanes have ventilation system with HEPA filters. According to major airplane manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus, HEPA filters could be able to capture particles between 0.003 to 10 microns. The air inside the aeroplane will refresh every 2 to 3 minutes. The ventilation system can ensure the cabin air is replaced every 20 to 30 times per hour. Flight crews are allowed to set up a temperature quarantine zone using the last 3 rows of seats in an aeroplane. Experts believe that the travel of virus will be generally diminished beyond the 3 rows in a flight. Another question arises is that whether the flight attendants become the source of infection. Flight attendants will be wearing masks and PPE kits all the time during the flight. Airlines are also reducing unnecessary cabin services to minimize the movement of flight attendants. If the flight is short, it is advisable to use the terminal building toilets before boarding the aeroplane so that you can avoid using the cabin toilets. This picture was taken when Air India evacuated Indians from corona hit Wuhan in the initial days. Following are the 6 suggestions from experts to safeguard yourself in a flight. Wear a mask all through the flight. It is now required to wear a mask to enter any terminal building to board a plane. Wearing a mask is an effective way to protect you from getting infected, and if possible, carry more than one mask on a long flight and change it in every 4 hours. Carry disinfection products. Travelers should carry enough disinfectants. Wash hands with running water along with the cleaning products after the use of toilets. Try not to leave your seat and walk around the cabin. As the air inside the cabin is flowing vertically, moving through the cabin will increase the chance of being infected if there are virus carriers on board. Keep distance from others and if possible, sit separately. Most airlines are carrying less than full capacity so that enough gap can be maintained between passengers. Try not to eat during flight because eating or drinking will require to remove the mask, which is not suggested. It is also not suggested to touch the food with bare hands directly. Avoid crowding and moving around inside the cabin. Wish you a safe journey.